Hello and good morning, welcome to your Let's Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here, bringing you a quick video presentation of this stunning Estro Blue F36 420 diesel Grand Coupe we're having. 420D, 2 litre diesel, around about 200 brake horsepower. This one has the 8-speed gearbox, paddle shift. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. Take you for a look around, show you the bits that we've added. We of course have added some styling enhancements. I'll give you as much information as I can about the car and the service history and condition. Let's take a look. Estro Blue Metallic, absolutely stunning condition. One owner vehicle from brand new, covered 46,000 miles with a full main dealer BMW service history. This one has the xenon headlights to the front and rear parking sensors. Our additions at the front, 3-piece front splitter and gloss black kidney grills, twin slat, 20-inch satin black GTS style wheels with brand new tyres, staggered fitment, so wider rears, really good. Gloss black sidebars, gloss black air breathers, privacy glass. This model benefits from having the M Sport Plus pack, which includes the M brakes as you see there. Harman Kardon sound as well. Rear parking sensors, you see the gloss black spoiler there, fitted in-house. Huge boot room, automatic tailgate. You've got the twin parcel shelves with the original mats, split folding seats also. Offside angle. Again, very well kept. Let's take a look inside. Must have option of the Harman Kardon sound. If you like your entertainment, electric windows, electric door mirrors, black Dakota leather, really tidy. Automatic headlights, windscreen wipers and parking aids. Professional widescreen navigation system. Heated front seats. It's your paddle shift. Multifunction steering here, also Tiptronic. Audio and visual display for the parking sensors. Navigation wise, there we go, professional widescreen, media, Bluetooth phone and audio, as well as music collection, which means you can record CDs onto the car's hard drive. Digital climate control down its dual zone as well. Take a look at the service history for you. Next oil change 15,000 miles, front brakes 26 and rear brakes 33. Service history 15, 29 and 43. Car's currently at 46, so all serviced up to date. We have the original handbooks and recent MOT certificate there. Isofix rear bench, rear centre armrest, very well kept car, available for HP and PCP. Part exchange is very welcome. Any questions, please ask. Thank you very much for watching and keep safe. Thank you.